I feel so alive. I'm feeling good vibrations, like an 808 sensation. Heaven on earth is a place, and that's my destination. You know I've been making my way up. I don't need coffee to stay up. Sky is the limit, let's see how far that this could take us. Driving into the sunset, turn the music up loud. Don't ever let me forget. I feel so alive. Like I'm living my life out in paradise. I can't help but smile. I'm just so alive. So alive. So alive. So alive. It feels like I'm floating a couple million miles off the ground.
Thank you, CC6 Online Casino.
Stopping to smell the rose.
Maraming salamat po sa C6 Online Casino.
I feel so
Next in line is the most trusted and highly recommended online casino in the Philippines, CC6 Online Casino. Palakpakan po natin.
I feel so alive. Like I'm living my life out in paradise.
Thank you, CC6 Online Casino.
Thank you so much, CC6 Online Casino, for this token.
Thank you for this, CC6 Online Casino.
Hi, this is Carmela Bitonio, an awardee of Gintong Parangal. I would like to say thank you to CC6 Online Casino. Thank you so much. More power.
Hi guys! I'm Jev Frago, the PR marketing partner of CC6 Online Casino. So, dito sa CC6, uulanin kayo ng swerte at awards. So, meron na naman kaming awards ngayon galing sa Gintong Parangal. So, maraming salamat na ginawaran niyo po ang CC6 Online Casino ng most trusted and highly recommended online casino in the Philippines. So, super nakaka-proud po ang award na to. So, on behalf of CC6 Online Casino Management, nagpapasalamat po kami sa ginawad po ninyong parangal po sa amin. So, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang kasiyahan natin dito sa CC6 at tulong na ginagawa po namin. So, abangan ninyo ang CC6, ang dami naming papremyo and tulong na ibibigay po sa inyong lahat. So, sa mga gusto naman maging agents, ang daming mga rewards and bonuses na nag-aabang sa inyo. So at the same time, namimigay po kami ng prizes. And tuwing magla-live po ang CC6, especially ako, so namimigay po kami ng instant GCash po sa inyo. At the same time, dun po sa makukuha mismo sa account ninyo. So maraming salamat sa CC6. Again, uulanin kayo ng swerte at tulong. So maraming salamat.